Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. We are back with Eureka Math Module 2 Lesson 1. So here's another example of how to solve this multiplication. It's 40 times 30. So we're going to turn that into unit form. So 40, you can write it as 4 tenths times 30, which means 3 tenths. Now here's the fun part about this. When you write it in this way, you can multiply 4 times 3. Then the second step is you multiply 10 times 10. Okay, my friends? So the answer for this is going to be 12 hundredths. Why? Because you have 4 times 2 equals 12, that's 12, and 10 times 10 equals 100, so that will be 1200. So now, how would you write that, the 1200, on a place value chart? Well, here is one way we do it here in Gravity 2. So these are the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, correct? So now, you are going to write 1200. So let's say a student says, okay, 12. Well, I see a 12. Here's a 1, 10, and 2 ones. That doesn't say 1200. It says 12. So that's not the right answer. Then the student says, okay, well, if it's not there, I'm going to write it right here. And that doesn't say 1200. That says 12 tenths. So again, this is not the correct way to do it. Then you move up on the scale and say, okay, what about here? 12 hundredths. Well, that's a make hundredths meaning as 1,200, and the answer is yes. And how will you check that? Well, look, there is a 12 here, and there is a 10 times 10 here. Those are the two zeros that are part of this answer. So now we know that the answer is correct. So remember, we convert 40 times 30 into 4 times 10, 4 tenths and 3 tenths. And then we create a multiplication here, and a multiplication here, and then we use a place value chart to write it correctly the way it should be. My friends, practice this, learn it, and the only way you're going to remember this is if you do it over and over again. Good luck with your math skills.